kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read about Class 2 Science Olympiad. And in Class 2 Science Olympiad, which chapter we are going to start today? Today we are going to start the human body. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start. So here the first question is the function of organ system given below each to. Option A, enable the organism to make food. B, give support and shape to the body. C, enable the organism to digest food. D, help in transportation of food within the organism. So here the question is given the function of the organ system. You can see a skeleton over here, right? Yes. So what is the function of the skeleton? Yes, it gives our body to the support and the shape, right? However, with the skeleton, that will give the shape to the body, right? Yes. And also the support. So the correct answer is option B, give support and shape to the body. Okay. Coming to the next question, which of the following organ systems give shape and support to our body? Option A, muscular system. B, nervous system. C, skeletal system. D, circulatory system. So, which of the following organ system gives shape and support to the body? We just discussed a question, right, about that skeleton. And that skeleton, it comes under which system? It comes under the skeletal system. Okay, so correct answer is option C, that is skeletal system. Coming to the next question, observe the figure given below and identify X. So it is the X. Okay, option A, joint. B, muscle. C, blood vessel. D, nerve. So here what is the thing? Can you imagine? Yes, this one. If you know the answer, then you can write in the comment box. Okay, so here it is the joint. Yes, two bones where the point where they join, we call it as as the joint. So here the correct answer is option A, joint, where two bones meet. That point is known as the joint, right? Coming to the next question, which organs are protected by these bones? P, stomach. Q, lungs. R, liver. S, heart. Option A, P and Q. B, P and R. C, Q and R. D, Q and S. So this image, that is of rib cage, right? And this rib cage, it protects our heart and lungs. Okay, so here it protects the lungs and heart. So what will be the correct option? The correct option will be option D, that is Q and S. Got it? Yes. Coming to the next question. Which joints are involved when you raise your hand vertically upwards? P, hip joint. Q, elbow joint. R, shoulder joint. S, ankle joint. Option A, only P. B, only Q and R. C, only Q and S. D, only R and S. So, it is asked that which joints are involved when you raise your hand vertically upward. Okay, so when we raise our hand vertically upward, which joints are they are involved? Yes, first the elbow joint, right, and the second one is the shoulder joint. So here the elbow joint, and then R, that is the shoulder joint. So here correct answer is option B, only Q and R. Coming to the next question, which food gives us energy? So here in option A, rice is there. In option B, it is chicken. Is it delicious? Yes or no? Next option C, that is apple. Option D, here radish is there, right? Yes. So option A, rice, that that provide contains carbohydrate. Okay. Then chicken, it contains proteins, and the apple and radish, they contain vitamins and minerals, right? Okay, so which food gives us energy? Carbohydrate gives us energy, right? So correct answer is option A, that is rice. Coming to the next question, which food is called complete food that helps us to grow tall and strong? Option A, here cake is there, right? In option B, bread is there. Option C, it is cauliflower. We can write it as vegetables. Okay. And in option D, milk is there. So, in the question it is asked which food is called complete food that help us to grow tall and strong. For growing tall and strong, we need proteins. Okay. And also, other some essential factors are there which all things are present in the milk. That's why correct answer is option D, that is milk. Okay. Next question, which of these can help us stay healthy? So here biscuits are there, right? And here chicken is there, and here pizza, and here fruits and vegetables. So which can help us stay healthy? These are the fruits and vegetables. Okay, so correct answer is option D, that is fruit and vegetables. Got it? Yes. Coming to the next question, we need dash to stay healthy. Option A, cereals, pulses. B, rice, fruits. C, vegetables. D, all of these. So what will be the answer? Yes, do you know? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment box. Okay. So for staying healthy, we need all type of foods, right? The cereals and pulses, rice and fruit, vegetables, we need all of this. Okay, we need carbohydrate, we need protein, we need vitamin and minerals, right? Everything we need. That's why the correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question, which of these food gives us protein? Option A, fish. Option B, cabbage. We can take it as vegetables. Okay. Option C, rice. Option D, fruits and vegetables. So, among these four, in which food contains protein? Do you have any idea? Yes. If you know the answer, you can write in the comment box. So, this fish, it contains protein. Okay. So the correct answer is option A, that is protein. Next, bones and muscles give a proper dash to the body. Option A, shape. B, fitness. C, energy. D, strength. So it is asked, bones and muscles, they give a proper dash to the body. So you must have idea, right? The bones and muscles, they give a proper what? Proper shape to the body, right? Yes. Coming to the next question, which of the following pairs is not correct? Option A, cabbage, protective food. B, bread, energy giving food. C, egg, carbohydrate. D, oil, fatty food. So cabbage, it is a vegetable, it is a protective food. Okay, this one is correct. Bread, energy giving food. Yes, this is also correct. It contains carbohydrate. Egg, it does not contain carbohydrate. Eggs, they mainly contain the proteins, right? Yes. And oil, fatty food, yes, this one is also correct. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is the incorrect one, that is option C, egg and carbohydrate, right? Yes. Coming to the next question, which of the following statement is correct to remain fit and healthy? Option A, drink plenty of water. B, eat only green vegetables every day. C, eat a balanced diet. D, all of these. In the question, it is asked that which of the following statement is correct to remain fit and healthy. So, to remain fit and healthy, what we should do? Should we drink plenty of water? Yes, we should. Eat only green vegetables every day. So, yes, we should eat green vegetables every day. Eat a balanced diet. Yes, we need to take a balanced diet, right? The carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, everything is needed for our body in a proper amount. That's why we need a balanced diet. So the correct answer is option D, that is all of this. Coming to the next question, we need dash to walk, run, play and to do work. Option A, air, B, soil, C, water, D, energy. So we need dash to walk, run, play and to do work. You tell me, what do we need for all this? We need a lot of energy, right? If you have energy, you can work more, you can play more. Yes? So correct answer is option D, that is energy. Coming to the next question, which of the following is a bad habit of humans? Option A, drinking a lot of water. B, taking a variety of food. C, swallowing the food without chewing. D, exercising regularly. So it is asked which of the following is a bad habit for humans. You know what are the bad habits? Drinking a lot of water. Is it a bad habit? No, we should drink a lot of water, right? Next one, taking a variety food. We should take variety food. Okay, so this one is also wrong. Swallowing the food without chewing. Yes. This is the bad habit. We should swallow the food after chewing it properly. Right? Yes. Exercising regularly, it is also wrong because exercising regularly, it is required for our body. Okay. So here the correct answer is option C, swallowing the food without chewing. Okay, so this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Okay, and till then, breathe mindfully. Bye bye everyone.